Welcome to NachoNacho, the B2B SaaS and services marketplace, powered by FinTech and AI. Manage, discover, and get discounts on SaaS and services up to 90% off. You can get started for free with a basic account. This will give you instant access to our free basic marketplace with over 300 plus free software discounts and business perks. You can redeem the deal by clicking on the offer here and going through the redemption workflow as so. Some deals require that you click on an affiliate link, some require that you fill out a form, and others require that you receive cash back after the purchase is made, which will show up as a percentage back, depending on the offer, 30 to 45 days later here in the cashback section of the menu. If not, you can follow the other redemption instructions here to get your deal free and clear. In addition to the SaaS marketplace, we also have the services marketplace, available on the main website NachoNacho.com and in-app right here. This is a free place for you to discover helpful service providers to help you with software integration, PR, marketing, and almost any other service you can imagine across all service categories. To the amazing deals that you can find in our SaaS marketplace and the incredible service providers that we have in the services marketplace, we have many other free tools, including Sherlock, which will help you identify your existing SaaS sprawl today, see which vendors that your employees are currently using, and maybe ones that they're paying for that you might not know about and you can immediately cancel. This also integrates with NachoNacho Sidekick, our free Chrome extension, which allows you to track which subscriptions are being used based on your browser history. You could also discover new software based on reviews, high-level information, and get instant deal alerts when you're visiting that software vendor's website. This also includes real reviews, everything that you need to make a software buying decision right then and there as you browse. And you can pop over to our free community with over 20,000 software buyers and experts and ask advice from real software users, here ready to help you answer any question you have about any particular piece of software. Want more? We highly recommend that you get a NachoNacho premium account, which will give you access to all the features that we have, including powerful SaaS and spend management features, our AI-powered software recommendation engine, and over 800 plus software perks and discounts, which will allow you to save up to 90% on software and an average of 30% across all of your spend. And you'll be able to access our premium deals indicated by the purple diamond here. Best place to discover and get discounts on SaaS and services. We also have a lot of tools to help you manage your subscription and general expenses across the company. Once you log into the app over here, you could actually go in here and you can see the full dashboard where you can track all of your subscription expenses and other expenses company-wide. You'll have to go through a brief KYC process that'll give you direct access to some of our more powerful tools, including Nacho cards, which allow you to create a Nacho card for each and every expense, one card per vendor per employee. This gives you granular details for this particular expense and allows you to cancel an expense with one click simply by suspending or canceling the Nacho card. These powerful Nacho cards can also be used to access some of our premium discounts in the marketplace, indicated by the purple diamonds. Again, this powerful solution for tracking and controlling your expenses, as well as other premium features, are available after you go through a quick KYC process. After you get approved, you can go to the payment source section here, and we highly recommend that you add a secure payment source, which will be protected by the use of Nacho cards. The payment source that you have connected here will not be accessible by any outside vendor, which is why Nacho cards in particular are so powerful. You can assign that Nacho card to a specific vendor to act as a buffer for safety and security for your primary payment source. After a payment source is connected, now you can unlock the full power of Sherlock, our SaaS subscription analysis tool, which is also used for continuous SaaS monitoring. With a bank account or QuickBooks connected, you can see all the vendors that you're currently paying and identify any potential wasted SaaS sprawl. You can immediately cancel those subscriptions if you create a Nacho card for that particular transaction. You can assign it to a specific team member and to that particular vendor. Once that Nacho card is replaced with your existing form of payment, you could suspend or cancel that Nacho card with one click. Nacho cards give you the ability to track and control all of your expenses company-wide and cancel the subscriptions that you no longer need. If you've identified your subscriptions using Sherlock, you could start adding team members. Again, if they connect any of the sources through Sherlock, you'll be able to see what subscriptions they're using as an admin to make it easier to onboard them and assign Nacho cards to their subscriptions. You could add team members by clicking this button up here, which is the same area around here where you could actually see the granular details for the Nacho cards and existing subscriptions for each and every one of these employees here. You can see it right down to the transaction level, all the subscriptions they have, and you can even cancel all their Nacho cards at one time if they leave the company for whatever reason. You can go to the main dashboard, which will give you a summary of all of your spend across the entire company, including recent subscriptions, recent transactions, monthly totals, and much more. To see which vendors are paying, you could click on the Vendors tab right over here in the left-hand menu. To see your transactions across the company, you can view the data more granularly in the Transactions tab located here of the left-hand menu. You can click right into the transaction to see who made the transaction, which Nacho card was used, and if you want to revert this transaction, you can simply cancel the card as mentioned prior. Now that you have a premium NachoNacho account, you could access our full marketplace savings of over $3 million and 800 plus additional software perks and discounts, indicated by the purple diamond here. Many of these require a Nacho card, which you could simply create from the page here. As mentioned before, this will allow you to track and control this vendor, which will show up in both your Nacho cards section for this particular card, in your transactions area, and as a new vendor here, giving you full control and visibility over all the subscriptions that you buy through our premium marketplace. And again, you can set strict time and spend limits for each and every one, and you can assign one per vendor per employee to get granular control over your entire company's expenses. Lastly, you could fully leverage now our AI-powered software recommendation tool, which we call Shaman. You can visit that section over here. And by providing some basic preferences and details about your company and on the personal level, we'll be able to give you more accurate recommendations for great software products that match your needs and preferences based on what other buyers with similar profiles are using. This feature is extremely powerful for your software research, and yes, every software we recommend will also come with incredible savings through the SaaS marketplace. With Shaman, you'll be one step ahead of the competition with exclusive insights into the best software being used by professionals in your industry. And that's it. Welcome to NachoNacho, the best way to buy SaaS. Not only that, but you can manage, discover, and get discounts on hundreds of great SaaS products and services all in one place.